Okay.
Hi everybody, my name is Bob. I'm shooting a quick video of my NeoDyne motorcycle ramp that I slightly modified. I've had cargo slider pull-out floors in the bed of my pickup truck since 1986, so I'm a long-time user of cargo sliders, and it was my goal to purchase a motorcycle lift, which I consider to be a hook lift, and convert it to a motorcycle hook lift and a cargo slider, so I now have a multi-purpose device, which is exactly what you're looking at. The truck is a Toyota Tundra, 8-foot long bed, and this is a half-ton truck, and a half-ton truck is significant in this situation. The bike is a Honda VFR 1200cc, and this is a 600-pound motorcycle. I bought my NeoDyne gig from the dealer in Atlanta, Georgia called Easy Cycle Ramp. Guy's name is Mo, as in Maurice. He's a pretty cool cat. I like Mo. And what I purchased was a NeoDyne 8-foot motorcycle ramp, and the base frame I bolted to the bed of my truck, and then I have the second frame, which is the NeoDyne sliding frame that you're all used to. And I purchased a third frame from the NeoDyne dealer called a NeoDyne Ground Loader Generation 1. And when I assembled all this, I took it on my own to build my own fourth custom frame that out of steel welder frame construction that I bolted to this mechanism. And by doing that, I now ride, my custom flooring now rides above the wheel well of my truck. And I also clear the NeoDyne drive motor with my custom flooring, which means I can take my flooring out to the maximum and pull it into the bed of this truck. My flooring measures 58 inches wide by 84 inches long, or 5 foot by 7 foot. I'm short 1 foot on the 8 foot because of the drive mechanism at the head wall of the device. I'm going to go ahead and go over my tie down points on this so you see how I'm doing this. And I'll give you an idea how stable this is when this is tied off. I am tied off on 4 points, and I'm pulling down on front shock and rear shock, so the bike is real stable. I did mount custom E-track all around my custom floor. Oh, my custom flooring is made out of a cabinet maker's plywood called Baltic Birch. This is a 9-ply, really tricked out piece of cabinet maker's plywood. The flooring is sanded in urethane, and then I printed my own floor graphic, and I applied floor marking non-skid floor laminate to this decal, so I have a non-skid surface. I mounted E-track all around all 4 sides, and go over my tie-down points. My first and most important tie-down point is right here through the front rim. I run a strap through the front rim and pull the bike to the head wall to keep the bike from rolling out of the wheel chock. I am using Canyon Dancer handlebar strap, and my wheel chock is a Condor wheel chock. I did phase out the NeoDyne wheel chock. I'm going to go around here now, and so tie down points all around. I'm going to go ahead and pull the bike up into the truck. So you can see how this mechanism works. I'm going to go ahead and push the bike. And I'll go over my securing points. As you all know, the NeoDynes come with threaded thumb screws to secure the floor. And I also run my own set of 2-inch straps hooked up to my E-track, and I pull my whole flooring into the head wall of the truck. I do that on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and pull it back down, take out my threaded thumb screw. And I'm going to put it back down on the ground. I want you to all listen to me when I power this down, when I put this down on the ground. When I'm coming down to the ground, my NeoDyne differs than everybody else's because I have 2 sets of casters. I have a set of casters on my sliding ramp, and I have a set of casters on my ground loader frame. So, and I have a very steep angle of incline. So I'm going to slow down the descent and just kiss the casters down the ground and then power it down full speed. So check this out. And go ahead and push your bike back into the truck. Okay. Knock in my threaded thumb screws. And I'm going to go ahead and run my 2-inch ratchet straps that I use to pull the bike into the head wall of the truck. And the last thing I want to discuss with the video is the tie-down points. So we have 4 tie-down points securing the bike to the platform, and the 5th one going through the front rim. And then I run 4 more tie-down straps securing the bike to the bed of the truck. And we're going to show you this here, that I'm going to hook onto the truck's bed rails. I'm not going to hook onto the platform. So I know that the bike is tied to the platform and tied to all 4 securing anchor points. I do that in the front and in the rear. And the most important thing about this setup, what I want you all to watch is, if you'll see, I don't use a step ladder or a stool or anything. I've got this rigged up where I can tie this and secure this load off all from the outside of the truck and never need to climb into the truck. With all these amount of straps in there, it's a lot of trip hazard. So I'm going to put it back down on the ground for you one more time. And you can see I'm hitting this all from outside the truck. And I'm going to get my camera in and come around the side here and get you a view of what the NeoDyne ground loader frame looks like, which is the orange frame, and then the 4th frame that I built that I added to this device, so you get an idea what the bottom of the mechanism looks like, and then I'll power it down the ground for you. All right, thank you everybody. My name is Bob. I'm located in Charlotte, North Carolina. I was shooting a quick video of my NeoDyne motorcycle ramp that I slightly modified. Thank you for watching the video, and that's a wrap.